What is this, third time's a charm?
Yeah.
Third set of carpet. Actually molded nicely.
Yeah, I didn't check these dimensions to see how they cut it, but I gotta assume they...
Oh, look at it's a little wavy up on the firewall end there.
Yeah, for sure.
But who really sees that?
As long as it's long enough to get up there.
But look at that for the shifter.
Yeah.
It's actually there.
Yeah.
And like you were saying, these corners are for the back are spot on.
Yeah.
They're nice.
Yeah, looks like you did a good job.
Hey, look! It only took 3 tries, but they got it.
Yeah. And you know what? I think that first one might have been ACC because the other day when I was putting stuff in this box,
Yep.
I don't know if this came out of the second box.
I think ACC makes them for Legendary, though.
That's what I'm wondering.
But Legendary's supposed to be better, but,
yeah.
well, we've proved that to be bull.
Yeah. Unless I printed that out from their website. Maybe that's what I did. I don't know. But anyways, yeah. It's as good as it gets, I think.
Yeah.
At least well, this backing's not completely glued on. It's coming off, but at least the jute's
Where it's supposed to be, kind of.
Yeah, sort of close, kind of.
So tell me about this redone console that's not up to par for how we like it.
Pretty bummed about it, actually.
Yeah. No spring. Oh, that's cute. Look at it, it's like...
Yeah. Wrong hardware holding it on. Ripples and bumps and...
Garfs. Look at that garf.
Yeah, you put some kind of paper or something, or I don't know if it's vinyl, but it's hard. Feels like hard plastic now.
Yeah.
And then he spray painted it.
Yeah, because it feels like a saran wrap almost. Or yeah, there's a big old scratch on this side.
Bunch of Bondo marks and imperfections and
real bad right here.
yeah.
And there's a crack down there.
Yeah.
Fun. And didn't send the rubber either.
No, if the rest of it was perfect, I would.
Look at those holes right there. Those little divots. Right on the inner corner there.
Oh, yeah.
And this is our one that came out of the car.
Yeah, that's the plastic reproduction one.
Yep. Well, shit.